Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. This should be a 613 32-inch 13 by 6 wig from SVT on Aliexpress. So I did buy this wig myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. So let me read you all the specs of this hair straight from the Aliexpress page. So this is a 613 32-inch 180% density, and they claim it's HD lace, HD, we'll see, and a 13 by 6. So I ordered this wig July 5th and it came today, which is July 14th. And it was predicted to like arrive on the 19th. So it did come early. I ordered on a Friday night, and you know Friday is Saturday there basically, and they're not working. So they didn't ship it out till Monday. So it took 5 days to actually come once they ship it. But let's open this wig here. But I've seen this company on Aliexpress a lot, and I just never ordered from them. But here is the baggie. This is pretty fancy. You don't see, like, this is red, burgundy. I guess it's more like red, but that's really pretty. Pretty excited. I do want to color this hair. Well, not color it, but kind of tone the hair up a little bit and not just wear it 613. But let's see what we have in here, you guys. So firstly, it comes with lashes, of course. But I do feel like companies nowadays not doing this anymore, low-key. Even though I'm really just gonna throw these away, but companies aren't putting them in the box no more. A wig cap, bam, bam, bam. And let's go ahead and open this wig and see what we have here. So I'm just throwing that stuff on the floor. Hope you all cannot see. Okay, this is a straight wig, says 13 by 6. Let me look. Okay, hold on. I'm over here spoiling it, but let me get this wig out. And we can look at this wig together. Okay. Ooh, okay. I'm kind of excited. So I was so scared this wig would not arrive in time. I ended up ordering a second wig just in case, a second 613 wig just in case. So I'm going to do the unboxing for that wig too, because that wig also came today. So yeah. But here is the hair. You can see the thickness. Like it is pretty thick all the way down to the ends, which I will give them that. Like, okay, it does have like a loose strand. So I pulled out that strand. But yeah, this is thick all the way to the ends. That is nice. I'm gonna actually get out my measuring tape for you all, but I am 5'7", so let me stand up and show you all where this hair falls on me. 30, what, hold on. I've never encountered a 32-inch that like, hold on. This is, I know I'm holding it like a little above my head right now, but how is this 30? Okay, I am getting like a few strands here and there, but how is this 32-inch past my butt? Like, y'all, I know like hair sometimes shrinks and you know, you lose strands, but the wig I'm wearing right now, when I bought it, it was 40 inches. And these two wigs are about the same length, if you all can see. But this is super long. Like, okay. This is nice, and it's only 32 inches, you guys. So this is a 13 by 6 lace front, so not frontal. So let me show you all the inside. So you get those 13 by 6, you get the 6 inches going back in the middle, but you get maybe 2 inches on the side. And I do feel like the 13 by 6s, you can actually do a side part with these, and it's a lot easier than getting the 13 by 4. When the lace is like this, to where they give you like not that much lace on the side. I am actually super happy with this. This is a lot of parting space. I think I may do a side part. I do think I want to do like a Savannah James look or something. Like, she was killing it at the ESPYs, and I think that's how I want to tone this hair up a little bit. Like, that would be super cute. But this is really, really long for a 32 inch. This is just long, period. I was not expecting this at all. So my measuring tape is right here. Let me get it and show you guys. When they measure the hair, they usually, most companies, maybe this company didn't do that, they usually hold the measuring tape up like about right here and then see where the hair falls on the measuring tape. So let me see, based on this method, how long the hair is. So based on that method, if they use this method, I don't think they did because the hair is just way too long. But based on that method, this hair is falling at, like y'all see, that's about 30, what's that? 38 inches. What? So I'm holding it right here. That would be like 38 inches. And y'all, I paid for 32. Okay, let's say it's more so 37 inches. I paid for 32 inches, you guys. So that is insane. And no, I don't tell the vendors, hey, I'm a YouTuber, give me good hair or anything like that. I was so mad at myself too. Like I talk about it in my vlog. When I bought this wig, I always tell you all, before you order hair, make sure you message the vendor, hey, do you all have the 32 inch 13 by 6 180% density wig in stock now? Because if it's in stock now, they can ship it out immediately. Sometimes they'll have it up on the site, but it won't be available. It won't be made yet. And you have to wait for them to make the wig and then ship it out, which is gonna make it take super long, especially if you have an event coming up like a Beyonce concert or something. So yeah, I did not message them. I did not do that this time. I was like, oh my God, why didn't I take my own advice? They're not gonna ship out my wig at the right time. Like, what the heck? I do really, really love this thickness. Like, this is pretty, it's giving. And it's super long. So the way measuring hair, the way that makes sense to me for measuring hair is actually measuring from the back strand. I feel like that makes the most sense, but that's not what wig companies do. So if I do measure this hair from the back strand, so the back of the wig, I'm sorry, my elbows are a little ashy. If I do measure from like the back of the wig, put it right here. So the wig falls at 32 inches, so that's what they did. So it falls at about 31, 32 inches. So I feel like that's what they did, and that's what makes the most sense. These companies starting all the way up here does not make sense. So I am super happy with that. Let me see. I feel like when I just first got the wig out the pack, there are some loose strands, but I'm not really getting any anymore now that I'm doing this. Like, it's not really coming out, but like, look at how wavy it is. It's so pretty. Okay, it is eating. But yeah, I really want a cute ash blonde or something. Just something that's nude, something that ease. You know, I feel like I haven't seen many people with their Renaissance outfits have blonde hair. Like, everybody has jet black. Everybody's just doing jet black. So I'm like, maybe I should switch it up a little bit. So I don't believe this is HD lace, because HD lace is a little more like raggedy. You see like threads on the end, but this lace is super thin. Let me show you all, like, just the way it bends. You can tell the lace is super thin. So, not so sure about that. But of course, I'm going to color this hair and all of that. I'm definitely gonna do it on TikTok. I might do it on YouTube too. I'm not sure yet, but this hair is super pretty, you guys. I do love it, love it, love it. I know at first I used to always buy my 613 from Wild Angel, but y'all, Wild Angel has gotten so expensive. It's like $500 now, and that is insane. Insane. So I was like, I'm not spending that, because I looked at them, I was thinking about buying it from them because I knew it was good, but not $500 good. I don't want to spend that much. But yeah, this wig is nice. It's a nice thickness. I am happy with it. Like, this is cutesy. This is cutesy. I love it. Of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box, and I'm going to link this wig in the description box. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram @MadameBrittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.